took the lead.
Somebody's heart.
Rising proud where rivers roared, Titan forged in concrete poured, Black Canyon's walls so steep and grand now hum beneath a builder's hand. The Colorado's mighty flow, once wild and free, now tamed below. Its waters churn with power bright, harness for the people's light. An arch of strength against the tide, where engineers and dreamers stride. The desert's thirst is quenched, controlled by visions cast in steel and mould. O Hoover Dam, so bold, so high, a bridge between the earth and sky, a testament to will and plan, the work of God yet wrought by man.